Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. You just have seen our art gallery. The students are sending so beautiful pictures. While you are sitting, this time is your turn. You have to draw beautiful pictures. After that you have to hold it in front of your chest and take a picture. There should be visible your face and your pictures both. And send us, we will promote your talent also. You know, Doremi is a platform, nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. And don't forget to see this video, because in this video I am showing how you can draw a boat just by drawing digit 1. So watch the full video. And don't forget to send your pictures. So enjoy the video. Viewers, I request you don't skip, watch our full video. So this is our digit 1. You have to draw the baseline bigger. Now exactly you have to copy the same things I am doing. This way is done. This is our boat is done. Now you can see this is the figure in the boat and this is the wavy line for the water. I hope you have understood. I am again showing you how I have done this so that all the confusion will be clear. See very carefully. Yes, once again for you. I hope things should be clear. This way, by drawing digit 1 you can draw the boat. Now we will see the coloring. So first you have to take deep yellow color and you should clean. If your color is looking dirty, you should clean it with a cotton piece of cloth and draw the border. First you color along with the border, then you fill with color. The color should not go outside of the line. I am maintaining that till little bit of color has gone outside. You can see, yes, there. So we have to manage it. At the end of the video you can see if your coloring is going outside, how you can manage this. Now I am taking the deep orange color for the boat. So same things, you have to clean the color. First start along with the border. And while you are coloring the border, you should not be hurry, because when you are coloring the border, it is very risky and highly chance to go outside the color. Now you have to fill the color. You have to gently color in one directions. Some white spaces are left. You have to fill nicely. Now take light blue color. I mean this is a sky blue, that is lighter than deep blue. So here also I have drawn the border first. Now I am filling the color. See the coloring. This is our base coloring. After that you will do shade also. Look in the water what I am doing. I have taken ultramarine blue, means darker than sky blue. Same rules, first you color along with the border, then gently in one direction you should color. Fill the space very gently so that we cannot see white small spaces are left. Now take a piece of paper to clean the color. All the colored dots you need to clean with a piece of cloth. Now this looks like a black, but it's not a black. You can understand gradually. This is a Prussian blue color. I mean the darkest one in your color, the darkest blue. That is Prussian blue. That we will color. So this way in the water we are creating different shades, and sometimes cleaning the paper, because you know when you are doing the coloring, so color smashes over there, just you need to clean it. Simply keep doing like this. So there are 3 blue colors are used. You can see that. Yes. Now we will take our deep orange color. This is a deep orange color. We will give the shades from left sides. And be very careful, your white spaces should not be look dirty just by your palm. So you can use a paper under your hand to avoid the mess on the white spaces are left. So gently you have to blend the color with the yellow color. So I am mixing the color just orange and yellow. First I am giving orange, you can see I am applying the orange color, then same deep yellow I am just applying on the orange color. So both are mixing together and it creates a nice shades. Now you can see I have chosen red color. So this means you can see yellow color, then orange, then red. So this way I have created the shades. Now this is light brown color. I am using this color at the bottom of the boat. You can see, so you can remember that I use deep orange color for the boat. You can see how I am mixing my brown color and orange color. I am using deep brown color on it. Now this is my black color. While you are using black color, be very gentle, because it is highly chance to creates the mess on the paper. So be very gentle when you are using black color. After little bit black coloring, once again you apply the brown color on it. Yes, after black color again you use brown color on black color so that it mix nicely. Now for the dresses of the human, I am using vibrant red, I mean our red color and green color, light green color. And And for head you can use the purple color. I know the hair color is black, but don't use our black color. Now this way I'm trying to manage. I have just drawn some kind of things are there. You can see in the boat some bags are there. Now this is the time you take a 10B pencil for bordering. Now look, I have taken a piece of paper under my hand. It means under my palm, so that my hand cannot make any mess on the paper. Make the dark hair with pencil. So this is very helpful for the students. If you keep any coloring, color doesn't matter, any piece of paper just under your hand, so you can see that your hand will not create any mess on your paper. Yes, so bordering is done. I have cleaned up the paper. Now the birds, you can see the birds I have drawn in the front, that is darker, and the birds is coming from far, that is looking bit smaller and lighter also. And I will take sky blue color for just little bit touch, not more. Here I am not coloring the sky, just little bit touch. I hope you enjoyed the video. Very simple but very effective. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.